In this video, I'll show you how to unblock someone on Discord. So ensure you subscribe and turn on bell notifications to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. If you previously blocked someone and you love to unblock the person, what you're going to do right now, head over to the person's chat, right? So this is me and Edo's chat, and I blocked him, I think, to run up some educational video, right? So this is basically for educational purpose only. So to unblock Edo now, what I'm going to do right now, you're going to click on this, right? You can see we just unblocked him, and yeah, everything is back to normal. So this is how you can unblock someone you blocked on Discord. So head over to the person's DM, right? The person's inbox. You're gonna see the unblock button there. Click on it. Once you have clicked on it, you unblock the person immediately. This is how you can do this. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna see you all in the very next one.